The time has come. We finally have the apartment. It's my first New York City apartment, and I just dropped off my move-in money, so they gave me the keys, and I was like,
I have my camera, I might as well do an empty apartment tour.
So, here it is. Now, I know a lot of you, pretty much every single one of you guessed which one I chose. Apartment 2 from my apartment hunt vlog. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. But yeah, so it's a studio. Oh my God, sorry guys. I was walking, I'm really hot. But it was a, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm saying.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going. I just hope I find it along the way.
You know, trying my best out here. But I'm gonna give you guys my little empty apartment tour. She's small but mighty, okay?
This is fine.
Keep it in mind, right? Okay, so this is what it looks like when you walk in. Right here, we have the kitchen. Now, this kitchen basically sold me. I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, I think that this backsplash and everything, it's just beautiful. We have a dishwasher, humongous. And then these cabinets are pretty cool. They're like, almost like, I don't even know how to describe this, but it's like a cool color and it goes well with the wood. My oven, cooktop, and then microwave. Here is my built-in fridge and freezer. Super cool. I have never had anything like this. It's big, it's cold right now, actually. Very nice. Maybe I should stand in here for a second.
I'm so hot. I'm literally so hot. It's so hot out, and then it was raining.
So I'm so hot. Anyway, guys, think about all of the fridge organization videos. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Low key though, this is like very high for me. Like I'm like low key on my tippy toes. Like I'm not kidding. Like this is gonna be hard for me to reach. I'm gonna have to put like stuff that I never use up there. But anyway. So that's what that looks like. Here is the main living area. She is small, like I said. I genuinely couldn't even tell you the square footage. I don't know. I'm gonna put my bed over here so that I can make content over there. And then I'll put like a love seat or a couch right there. And then like a desk to do my work. The view is amazing. I mean, look at the East River. It's just so pretty. You might need to clean these windows or something, I don't know. And this building right here is really pretty. But yeah, it's just like a very pretty view. The apartment is east facing, so I have a lot of sun in the beginning of the day, which is super nice. I know why I'm hot, because the air conditioning isn't on, but yeah. So that's what she kind of looks like there. And then here is my favorite part of this apartment. Ready? The closet. It is absolutely unreal. I have never, ever, ever, never, ever, ever, ever.
Never, never, ever, ever, for never, ever? Never, ever, never, never, ever, ever.
Had a closet this big. In my entire life, I've never had a walk-in closet. So I am super duper excited. I mean, it's great. It's huge. I could sleep in here if I really wanted to. But like, I'm so excited. And the closet organization videos.
Don't even get me started.
Oh my God, I didn't even realize like, I had a hood. I guess you kind of need one, but like also like period. Okay, this apartment, if you remember from my apartment hunt, has a washer and dryer in unit. It's amazing. We love this. I can't believe that it has this. I was never anticipating having a washer and dryer in unit, so quite the perk. Then right here, we have just like this little coat closet. It's actually kind of deep though, to be honest with you. It's a really good size for like coats, shoes, all the things. So yeah. Then we have the bathroom. So this tile is just like really cool. I like it a lot. My camera's not really showing like the colors very accurately, but we have our toilet, super cool. Then this little, what would you call that? My sink, I don't know, I'm stupid. And it has storage under here. Thank goodness. Oh my God, wait, no way. Oh my God, it like comes out like that and then you can push it back in. That's so cool. Okay, period. And they're soft closed doors. That's great. Here's the sink. It's nice, it's big. You can't really put anything on the sink, which isn't amazing, but like, I'm not complaining. It's really okay. You have me, my underboob sweat. Don't look at it, don't look at it. It's like honestly decent lighting. Like, I was kind of scared that it like was not going to be, but it's actually fine. Have you seen those like things that you can stick on the wall and then there are lights like on the side? So maybe I could add those and it would be super duper bright.
Like, do we need that? Like, I don't know.
I mean, I do my makeup a lot, so probably. But yeah, and this tile is just like, period, so pretty. And yeah, so this is what the shower looks like. I don't know the water pressure. That's gonna be interesting to find out. But yeah, and then this is like this deep bathtub, which is amazing. There's a lot of room actually over here for products, and there's that. So hopefully I won't have to get a shower caddy or anything. I can just put them over there. Because it's not like I take baths or anything. Then we have this towel rack and a hook. And yeah, that is basically what my bathroom looks like. Yeah, I wonder if like, oh my God, hello? There's like these things in here. Oh my gosh. Did somebody like leave this here? They must, no, it's definitely like included in there. Wow, okay, so the trash can comes out like this and it's like soft closed. That's pretty cool. Some these cabinets, super nice. I think they all look the same, but you never know. Maybe there's a special gadget in one of them that I don't know about. Oh my God, you guys. I think this is one of these things. Yes! You guys have no idea how excited I am for that.
Like, I love those kind of things.
Oh my God, now it's really raining, so. But it's like kind of like, it looks so pretty. Wait, you can't really tell. Probably can't see the rain, but it looks pretty.
So I very much just realized that I forgot to film an outro. What was I don't know what I was thinking. I know, you know what I know I was thinking? I was thinking to myself, I need to get a good thumbnail.
Wait, let me see if I can get like a good thumbnail.
And I just didn't film an outro. But yeah, that is my empty apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. Also, let's ignore the state of my room. Let's ignore it. Let's stay playful together.
Let's stay playful together.
No, my room's a mess. I'm really sick. Like I was when I filmed this on Monday. It's Wednesday now, so I'm still very sick. I have antibiotics and Flonase, so we're sick. I also got a million bug bites when I was in New York. Didn't know there were a ton of mosquitoes, so now I'm concerned that it wasn't mosquitoes and that it was either bed bugs or fleas. Posted a TikTok about that earlier and people commented and they're like,
Yeah, it might be fleas.
so I deleted the TikTok. I showed my legs of what the bug bites looked like and people were like, that looks like flea bites. I was like, this is being taken down. This is done.
You're done. You're done.
But before I go, I really do need to thank you guys because at the end of the day, I would not be able to support myself and live in that apartment or ever get that apartment, even apply to that apartment if it wasn't for you guys and your support and you supporting my videos, watching my videos, following me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Like never in my wildest dreams would I ever have thought any of this was possible, but it is all because of you guys. And I don't know if you can wrap your head around how much you guys mean to me. Like I can barely wrap my head around it because it's just unbelievable. And I am so grateful. Like I can't even speak. I have no words, really. My life completely changed all because of you guys. I literally don't know what I don't know what I would have done. I mean, I just genuinely don't know what I would have done. I would have just still been working as a waitress, which, you know, I mean, I had fun doing that, but I absolutely love what I do now. And, you know, it's able to get me an absolute dream apartment as my first apartment in New York. Like, I thought I was always going to be living in a shoebox. I mean, you know, hey, it's a nice shoebox. No, I thought it was gonna be a shitty shoebox. Now it's a nice shoebox. She's small, but she's pretty. But seriously, like, at the end of the day, could not do any of it without you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. You're my world. You mean the absolute world to me. And I thank you so, so much from the bottom of my heart, because it seriously means the most to me. But yeah, that is my little apartment tour. Keep an eye out for my moving vlog. I'll probably do like a pack with me too. A lot of my stuff is still like packed up from school, so I'm gonna go through that stuff and sift through it and see what I have, what I don't, what I need to get rid of, what I want to keep. I'm currently doing that on Poshmark. I posted a brand deal with Poshmark today, which was actually amazing timing because I was literally about to start posting a ton of stuff on Poshmark because I'm moving. So it's like amazing timing that I got a brand deal with them. So go check out my Poshmark if you want to shop my closet. I also might put some like home items on there as well, because you can post home items. So I was like,
Well, why not? Why don't I post some home items? Because I definitely have some.
and yeah. So, sorry, shameless self-plug. I don't even know what I was talking about. But we have so many exciting videos coming up. Hauls, apartment tour, all the things. So make sure that you are subscribed or you follow me on TikTok or Instagram. I post everything there as well and more. So if you're not following me there, please follow me there. And yeah, I feel like that is pretty much it. I think I covered all the bases. If you guys have any New York City recommendations or apartment recommendations of like things I should get for my apartment, please comment them down below and everybody else can see them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.